What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today. We have a lot of things to cover. As you guys know, we were talking about this last night in anticipation that a dip was here, and that's exactly what played out last night. Crazy, crazy events in the market today. I know I don't want to make that as an understatement here, because in all reality, we did have a pretty big downturn in the market, and I think a lot of things out there are causing this, things that we didn't even think of. Obviously, the big one we want to talk about is DeepSeek right now. DeepSeek obviously came out here. It's a Chinese app that came out here to compete with that of ChatGPT. And this released and caused the markets to basically take a dump. I mean, NVIDIA has lost over 16% of its shares, or 16% in a drop in the market, which is insane for NVIDIA. And the NASDAQ is, dipped roughly 700 points right now, I think is what it is. And so we're going to talk about all that. We're going to talk about XRP. We're going to talk about what's going on in the cryptocurrency market, and just some crazy, crazy stuff going on. But we anticipated that this dip was going to happen. Now the question is, how far is this dip going to go? Did we hit the bottom of this dip? Where are we at with all this? And so that's something that we're going to definitely cover here. And before we jump into all that, I do want to say what's up to everyone in the chat here. I'm going to be scrolling fast because you guys are already jumping on it really quick here. We got Billion right in the house here, Recovering Architect. Good to see you guys. MLG, Jimmy Haddock, what's up, dude? Chris, we got Ultra Maga, what's up, man? Route 66, Ryan, good to see you guys. Toolbox in the house here. Evelyn, appreciate you guys all being here. Adam, what's up, bud? Yeah, DeepSeek sounds a little dirty. Well, I mean, dude, they took out freaking almost $1 trillion in the cryptocurrency market. So yeah, Martin, what's up, man? Theory, Jam, Z Goal, what's up, buddy? We got Papa Don in the house here. Good to see you, Papa Don. We got Martin, Queef, what's up, bud? Good to see you, Queef. Borishito, what's going on, man? Stan, good to see you. Tommy. All right, I'm scrolling fast. If I missed some of you guys, I'm sorry, dude. Hopium Days, Rebecca, Trent's in the house here. Appreciate you guys all being here. So let's jump into this. We got a lot to cover today, and excited for where we're at, because I think a lot of us actually bought into let me share my screen here with you guys real quick, and let's jump into it at the stage here. So as you guys can see right here, the NASDAQ is literally down 686 points. This was actually over $700 or 700 points earlier today. And a lot of it has to do with this China's DeepSeek triggers NVIDIA route. As you guys can see right here, NVIDIA did take a massive decline in the market today. Almost 16% of its shares lost in literally 24 hours. And you can see right here that there's other big companies here that actually took some pretty big hits along the way. We do have earnings coming out. We got a lot of things that are coming out this week and into February that we got to pay attention to. Earnings are going to be a big thing for the markets, and see how we play with that. But this is a really big thing here. This DeepSeek, we'll jump into it later today. I was reading about it this morning, and it's actually pretty crazy what's going on with that whole thing, and everyone that's coming out talking about it. This has now become a pretty big deal for the Trump administration. They came out and made a post about this. They actually made a statement in regards to it. And so now we're, as much as we're always battling for positioning, when it comes to AI, that's probably going to be the biggest battle here in the future. And so again, losing 17% shares from NVIDIA because of this AI model coming out that beat ChatGPT among third-party reviewers of it. Again, who knows what's going to happen here, but that is a big reason why the markets are down. And again, as you guys know, the NASDAQ really fuels that of the cryptocurrency market. Anytime we talk about tech, anything like that is in the NASDAQ. The Bitcoin and anything in the crypto industry really follows closely to that of the NASDAQ. So, again, if you want to see what the NASDAQ's doing or what the cryptocurrency market's doing, they kind of are pegged together in some degree, which again, react to one another. So you can see right now, I mean, we took some pretty big falls last night. A lot of us were buying these retracements. We were planning the retracements for weeks on the channel. I can't even express enough to you guys how much we've been planning for these dips. I mean, mapping these things out over weeks. We've been talking about them, and I'm just excited to know when I woke up in Discord that a lot of people actually were able to fill their orders at these low prices that happened during this dip to either sell for a swing trade and or hold for long term. I just know that we hit it perfectly. Honestly, HBAR we hit almost dead on, dude. HBAR was almost dead on. My XLM on my second, I had 2 tiers. My second tier, I almost hit dead on. Again, I didn't buy any XRP. I told you guys my dips were 255 for XRP. This didn't dip to 255. But again, that's kind of where I was waiting for, but I played the other leverages with the other ones, and things are looking pretty great. You'll see right here that over $920 billion was liquidated from the markets. And if you go back and look at the reflection here, we are down about 5.89% at the time of this filming. So we didn't actually lose $1 trillion, because you got to think when money out gets liquidated, money's also flowing in, right? When people were getting liquidated in these events that were coming down, I mean, we could see like right here with Hedera, you know what I mean? We came all the way down to 29,159. You guys can see my order right here at 29,380, which is exactly where this was. 29,380 is where I had this, and it hit the lowest point of this was 29,142. So just filled this order, but this liquidation event right here was like almost a perfect storm. We anticipated this. Same with XRP coming down and XLM coming down. But again, we were buying this back up. So as much as things were getting liquidated, we were all putting our buy orders in and buying this back up. So I know this number sounds like a lot, but as much as almost 1 trillion was liquidated, you had billions and billions and billions of dollars coming back into the markets, which again is why it doesn't reflect like we actually lost trillions of dollars here in the market, because money flows back in too. So just want to put that out there as well. And as you can see right here, $500 billion in market value was lost on NVIDIA. I'm going to be honest with you guys. If you are not bullish on NVIDIA right now, what the hell are you doing, dude? Anytime NVIDIA has a massive drop in shares, they come back storming back. And I want you guys I want to be very clear here that NVIDIA will always be a good company to buy, because they are they are the largest chip manufacturing company in America. And we know what we're trying to do with the chip manufacturing here. So they're always going to have massive support. So do not shy away from NVIDIA on this. Who cares where their stocks drop, dude? NVIDIA is definitely one of the most powerful companies in America. And you can see right here, last time this thing dropped about 36% in terms of stakes, in terms of shareholders. It actually rose from the bottom of the depths of here all the way up and gained almost a 69%, almost a 70%. And that was roughly in probably almost like 4 months. That's really, really good from a stock standpoint to get 60% returns in 4 months on a stock return on a stock. We're talking a blue chip #1 stock in the world in NVIDIA. Of course, you're going to invest in NVIDIA. So again, I'm not here to tell you guys what to do, but this is the kind of stuff that you kind of really, this is what you live for if you're in stock trading. This is what you live for if you're in crypto. If you're on the sidelines waiting for this to turn back into the green, you're on the wrong side. So again, people that are buying this right now, I mean, if they got down to the bottom of this on NVIDIA, which I never anticipated, when it comes back and it gets back to its high up here, that's a 30% increase. But we always know that these are going to bounce back. NVIDIA is not going to continue a downward trend here. It's not going to happen. So I want to put that out there. Again, I know we're talking about a stock right here, but NVIDIA is one of the most powerful stocks in the world. And it took a freaking nasty dip right here. And people are salivating at where this is at right now. I'm salivating at where it's at right now. So don't fear for that kind of stuff, because I think that's these are just really, really good opportunities to enter the market. We had a lot of people out there waiting for this to happen, and it worked out perfectly for a lot of people, including myself. Again, I was so excited. I was up till 2 a.m. in the morning watching charts, making sure that everything was going to plan, and it went absolutely according to plan. And I am pretty freaking excited that it actually worked out really well. And I know a lot of A-teamers here who are in Discord, it worked out really well for them too. So kudos to everyone that got in on that. What's up, Stop Sign? Good to see you, dude. And sorry, I'm going on a massive tangent here. James, thanks so much for the $2, dude. I'm down so bad, I had to move into a cardboard box. I know. I heard you say that. You're going to be just fine, bro. I know you are. Billion Right, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Like the live and become a member to see Linda's. I appreciate you, Billion Right. Thanks so much for the donation, dude. A-team is the best team. You guys are crazy as hell. I'll tell you that right now. Got a link for those feeds. Sam Trend, you wild. Can you buy fractions of NVIDIA? Yeah, dude, you can go and buy any portion of the stock. You don't got to buy $200 worth of the stock. You can go buy fractions of the stock. I mean, yeah, you don't have to spend $118 to buy a full stock. You can go put $50 in and buy, half a stock if you wanted to. So yeah, you're good, dude. Slightly down. All right, H bar is working with ICP. Okay. All right. I don't know. I have to look into that. Yo, Austin, how do I move my XCN to my Flex? You just make sure that that your Flex actually accepts XCN. That's all I care about. Any idea how long this dip might last? We'll definitely jump into it. I think that we're in for probably a rocky start to this probably into February. You can see right here that the analysts are warning that the China's DeepSeek AI poses a threat to U.S. equity markets, potentially prompting drastic measures from Trump to protect the economy. Bitcoin's growth remains tied to concrete steps towards establishing a U.S. digital reserve, as current discussions fail to sustain a bullish trend. So, as you can see right here, it's coming from Cointelegraph here, is that people are fearful that this is going to actually affect the equities market, which, as you guys can see, has definitely affected the equities market. I mean, you go back and just look at this. I mean, this thing has absolutely taken a nosedive because of these things right here. And everyone's freaking out over this DeepSeek thing for some reason, right? Like that we're not going to compete with it. Kind of crazy how it all worked out. But again, right here, how's the buzz around Chinese AI model? DeepSeek sparked a massive NASDAQ sell-off. And I think the reasoning why is because this is right here, the DeepSeek actually came out here and outperformed OpenAI's latest model. So that's where the issue is coming from. It's that this DeepSeek outperformed it. So everyone's freaking out over this, and not understanding like why we're doing this. And one of the it said Wang said DeepSeek actually has more H100 chips from NVIDIA than expected, about 50,000 of them. So these chips are the processing choice for AI firms and such US and OpenAI. So you have NVIDIA, who actually sold 50,000 plus chips to DeepSeek to then use, and now they become the #1 most advanced AI software out there. So again, this is what's crazy about this. And so as much as NVIDIA actually gave them the chips to do this, NVIDIA is the one that's actually taken the beating on this. In addition to that, it became #1 over the weekend. As you guys see, DeepSeek reached the #1 app, actually taking out that of ChatGPT. So there's another one of those that everyone's freaking out about. You have other people, top investors, that are saying that it's a very good to see this, but at the same time, you got people freaking out over this. We got another. You take down TikTok, China's going to come back with another app. I mean, it's just like you're going to go after TikTok, and then they're going to come out with another app, and it's just kind of crazy how that all works out. So, yeah, but fractional stocks are definitely a thing. Yeah, definitely. Didn't think you buy portions of a stock yet. Yeah, you could buy you can go in there and buy, like, I think you can just go put like $100 into the stock. I don't think you have to buy like portion of stock. You just buy $100 of the stock. I was in panic mode buying last night. Hell yeah, dude. I love hearing that. I was too, man. My emotions run my wallet, unfortunately. Yeah, don't let your emotions run here. We were planning this for a long time for this dip to happen. Everyone on YouTube, everyone on X was saying buy. We're in altcoin season. It's going to go up, and yeah, I think long term it's going to go up. But you have a lot of people that were buying the tops of this, and now they're down when they could have just been a little bit patient and anticipated that there was going to be something like this, because history has shown us that over time we continue to have these dips somewhere in between. You need XRP now more than ever before. XRP, yeah, let's talk about some XRP here, because some great things came out here. As you guys can see right here, Ripple does obtain a money transmitter license in New York and Texas, strengthening its regulatory compliance across the United States. This is actually really, really big. And if you don't believe me, you can just go right here and you can see where they've actually got their licensing. This is freaking awesome, guys. I mean, this is like the next big step here. And so I could see why the Bitcoin maxis were, Bitcoin maxis are shaking in their boots today. They're out here trying to, dog Ripple and XRP, but yet you have institutions out here and you have regulators out here that are giving them money transmitter licensing to allow them to move money across state lines and here in the United States. So I just think it's funny how everyone came out here from the Bitcoin side and attacked Ripple. And it's because I think that they're worried about the pace of where Ripple is going to be and what it can actually do in this space. Awesome numbers are going to bounce back. The data reports that is causing this dip just don't make sense. China is lying 100%. Yeah, very well could, Patrick. I want to make it very clear, dude. This is obviously just a panic sell. We have too many things going, dude. And I think that we're going to bounce. This is just a dip in the market. We knew that this was going to come. Dude, this is baked in the markets. We'll go back and we'll look again. I've shown it multiple times on the streams. What the history has shown us after inauguration, there's going to be the settle-in period for the new president every single time. I don't care how much they say that we're going to make the economy great, how much we're going to do this, how much we're going to do that. There's always a settling in period that's going to cause the markets to have fluctuation. And yesterday was just the tipping point to that, right? So how far does this go down? Can we continue to go down? I hope not. I mean, can we? I mean, the markets have said that we could go to a 30% reduction. But right now 28 was kind of where we're at, and 28 is exactly where we hit. So yeah. Sooner, thanks so much for the $5, man. Glad my bladder decided I needed to piss last night when XRP hit 270. Bought some. You bought some down. All right, bro. That's awesome. Bought some midstream. You wild, dude. That's awesome. Thanks so much for the $5 too. I'm thinking NVIDIA didn't give them the chips; they're borrowing them. Borrowing, giving. I don't know. Why don't you launch a coin with the A team? Yeah, definitely not going to happen. What's good? Yeah. You think XRP will bounce back? Oh, it's already bounced back, guys. Let's go. Let's look at the charts here. I mean, XRP already bounced back. I mean, you can see we hit down here at the 266. You can see my fill order was 255. I mean, almost got there, guys. I almost got to 255. Yes, I was definitely a little bit off, but I mean, we're talking roughly almost 3.9% off on the dip. I always projected that this was going to be roughly around that would be around a 25% dip in the market right there. We only got to about a 21 right there. So, that's a pretty good dip. You look over here, 28, 28, 25. We're at 21 for the lowest point on there. So, again, we'll actually reach these? No, not necessarily, but we know that we're going to have a pretty strong and this is actually a deep, when it passes the 0.5, that is a deep dip right there, right? Anything in between the 382 and the 0.5 is it's a deep dip. Now when we pass it, we're in like a deep dip down below. So that's the best way to explain it. And again, H bar, we filled in right here. I did fill in here. I missed, dude, it's crazy. I had it at 31. It didn't fill at 31, but it came back and filled somewhere down here past the 3.5. So I ended up getting it at 305. What was it? 3075, I think is where I got it. And then I had another fill order down here at 29380, as you guys know, and they both filled. And now I'm actually up pretty good today based off those fills. So, again, I'm already up like 6% today off this one right here. Yeah, almost a little over 6% filled on that one, or up on that one. So, again, if it keeps rising, I'm going to be even in a better position. So let's see here. Austin, you think FOMC meeting this week? There's no FOMC meeting this week, MLG. FOMC meeting's not till February. So the FOMC meeting calendars, if you want to look at the FOMC calendar, they actually we skip this month. You can see right here, January was 28th, 29th. We have which was last coming up here, and then we'll skip February. So you'll have the FOMC meeting coming here. I don't think this is going to have an effect because it's not going to be an economic projection. So tomorrow or on Wednesday we'll have the projections coming out here, but February we're going to miss. So I think that again, we're going to try to probably bake in the FOMC meeting. I thought you were talking about February. Sorry, that's what I thought you kept saying about the February one in my head. So. Anytime we have an FOMC meeting, we can expect something like this. Again, you should expect this. Hopefully this actually, where did my chart go? Hopefully this baked in the FOMC meeting right here. That's kind of what I'm hoping for this month. But good thing is next month we don't have an FOMC meeting, which again, probably why February is always a good year or a good month, because we don't have anyone dictating the pricings and or the inflations. Can you launch a coin with the A team? No. Why would you release good news while BTC and crypto's tanking? Yeah, why would they release good news? You're right, dude. Billion right, dude. Thanks so much for the $2. You'd also suggest everyone to own a bit of Bitcoin. Yeah, I think owning Bitcoin is like super important in this space, regardless of how you feel. I mean, it's something that we should definitely do. Your account got locked for a week. Damn, Crypto King, how to get locked? We need an XRP member emoji. All right, I can get you guys a emoji. I could do that. Bitcoin maxi tiers. Hey, Austin, do you feel about the $4 sometime in February? It could definitely hit. Are you going to stream the community event tomorrow? Yeah, we probably could do something like that. $4 in February. I mean, dude, we usually have some pretty good runs. In February, we can go back and look at the history of February's, and we usually do seem to have pretty good rallies. So I'm hoping that the FOMC meeting, there's probably nothing that's going to be put out there that we already don't know. Maybe the one thing that I think is going to be positive is that Trump already came out and said that they're going to start cutting rates. And if you guys don't remember, he basically said, the question was, are the Feds going to listen to you, or I can't remember what they said, but something along the lines of like, is the Fed is the Fed going to listen to you? And he basically was like, yeah, they're going to listen to me. Basically, is what he said. So we'll see what happens, right? I mean, I guess if he comes out and says you're going to cut rates, I guess they cut rates. I don't know. Yeah, sorry. I thought he was talking about. I had February in my head, dude. I'm sorry. I had February in my head. I was all messed up. Yeah, markets tanked during the FOMC meeting. Yeah, I think we're baking it in right now. Hopefully this is baked in. Hopefully this is the dip that we wanted right here. Yeah, sorry guys. My head's in February already, dude. I'm ready to rock and roll. This dip came and we're ready to rock and roll for February. Sammy, thanks so much for the donation to the channel. Dude, too late to put on H bar on this dip. Dude, we're still in. I want to make it very clear, dude. This is still buying opportunities. You might have not have caught the dip, but anytime that we're in a retracement zone or anytime we're at the fib right here, you got to think we're in the golden pocket right now, guys. This is a golden pocket, meaning that people, this is a major buy zone. You got again, these are the sell zones. You got a normal retracement, you got a deep retracement, you got a deep retracement, and then you got the golden pocket, which is like some of the best areas to win a trade. All right. And anything below that is like, now you're in a potential downtrend. So we haven't actually established a downtrend with this, but I mean, we are in a we're in the golden pocket right now. Like this is technically still a buy zone based off the fib, right? 31 is still a buy zone based off the fib. If you're looking for a swing trade or things like that, or just looking for an entry point. Same with XLM, dude. XLM is literally right in the middle of a freaking golden pot. Look at that, guys. It's right in the middle, right? And again, I'm not making this up. Fibonacci is making this up, dude. You just do the chart and it tells you what it is. So, I mean, like we're right there. XRP is technically it's just right here. This is just a dip, right? Like this is like still technically this is a higher, you can still, this is a buy zone. It's just a higher buy zone. That's all. It's good to get down here where you're in these areas for buy zones. These are the, because again, you can make bigger bang on your buck. But I mean, technically, this is shown when it bounces around the 382 level right here that we actually, have creating a pretty solid line right there. But my money went into H bar. Like I said, I have a big bag of XRP, and I was waiting for this. If it came down to the 50 or the 255 right here, I was going to buy it up. There was $10,000 waiting for it at 255. It didn't fill. So, and then a lot of my money went back into H bar and that of XLM, like I was telling everyone I was going to do. So, and those orders filled, dude, like back to back. I couldn't believe it. Also on top of the day, keeping up with the chat, trying to, Billion, right? You maybe spoke too soon. Let's see here. Hey, Blue, Tim Shea. Which one are you talking about, Tim? That project. Can't believe everyone's feeding the project more money. Which one are you talking about, Tim? I might have missed it. Yeah, what's going on? Dude, H bar is still below $1. It's a golden opportunity. I think so too. What does it say? Safe Power Wallet, Corn Final Judge minimum required. I don't know what that means. Oh, you're talking about your Safe Pal. Yeah, we'll delete that comment, bro. Come on. Man, I've been looking for you since 12. My YouTube just now with this. What's up, Airsen? Good to see you, man. What's up, Selmo? We got Selmo put in the house here. What's up, Kokor? I'm trying to keep up with the chat here. Yeah, you guys are chatting. I'm a little bit behind. I have $1,500 in XRP, 500 in H bar. Should I have more H bar over XRP? It's up to you, dude. I think they're both great. So I mean, yeah. Don't forget about Sui and Link. Both are awesome buys. Oh yeah, we own Sui. I just didn't buy the dips on that. I mean, Sui definitely came down pretty hot. I definitely drew some levels. Let's see. Did I draw a Sui level last night? I did draw a couple levels on a couple of these. I don't know which ones they were. Let's look at Sui here. Yeah, this one's definitely down. Look at that. This is definitely in a nice little area here. I think the fractal said it was right there. Yeah, dude, you're definitely in a, even if you pulled this back here, you're definitely in like a a pretty big area if you want. I mean, this is definitely far down below the fib levels. So yeah, so if you look at I drew one out here on, I think it was on H bar. I drew a line, or maybe it was on XRP. I drew a line. Was it this one? You can see right here that February 11th. So based off the previous, so from here to here, from when we went down to when we started, it was about roughly, we're talking, it was like almost what, 13, or it's almost like 20 days or something like that. So again, I think that we could be around here for like 20 days before we have a breakout. So we're already halfway there. Yeah. Any coin, waiting to see if the further dips to buy. Yeah, there could, we could be playing around the sideways for a while here, guys. Will we see another 10% dip before this is over? You could, right? I mean, this could come back down. There's nothing saying that it can't right now, and it's obviously still working down. I mean, it's still trying to find some ground, of settlement here, and it very well could come down and settle around this 0.5 marker. That very well could happen. So again, don't be nervous if it does do that. I mean, same with H bar. H bar could come settle around down here. We've hit this before. If we go back and pull the original chart that we had with H bar, if you guys remember this chart, I mean, this is kind of the original chart that we had for H bar. Let me get this out of the way here so it doesn't confuse anything. Look at we played this line for the original H bar, or maybe I did it on the 12-hour. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the original H, or was this? Yeah, this is the original H bar chart right here, dude. It would come down past the 50, bounce back up, down past the 50, bounce back up. Let's go to the 4-hour. Actually, I think it was on the 4-hour. I think I set it up right here. Actually, that's where it was. So it came down past these levels and then would go up, right? So we played this entire dip right here for you guys. This is the entire dip that we played. I mean, and it could very well do the same thing here. That was the original. This was the original fib, right? Same with XRP. You go back to the original fib of XRP that we created a while back. We were pulling from like right here. We went up and ran across, and we played the same exact line, dude. Look at that. We played the same exact line right around the 50 marker, dude. This whole thing is 50 markers. So it came down, played around in here, and bounced up. Then it would come down and touch it again, bounce back up. So that's kind of where we're at with a lot of this. So yeah, and now here's where we're at. So I mean, it could come down and still play around at this 50 marker and bounce around and come back up. So that's kind of what we want. If you're in the swing trade, that's kind of what you want. I can't believe the bullish on NVIDIA. If you don't know how to pronounce NVIDIA, I say how I like. It's like catch up and catch up. Catch up and catch up. Potato. NVIDIA. Just got 3 shares in NVIDIA. Ever. That's the first one you ever bought. All right. Austin, can H bar dump to 27? I mean, anything's on the table, right? I use crypto to buy stocks. Yep, Head and Shoulders. NVIDIA. I like to say NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Okay. You're a true idiot. First off, it makes higher lows. Second, it's at the end of a cup and handle. David, I really don't care what you have to say, man. If you're going to come in here and be an asshole, you can just, see the door, bro. Everything's working out fine for me, man. Austin caught up on the chat 2 days in a row. I know, robust, right? Hey, Austin, how do you learn about using fibs? Just do just go out there. You can go on TradingView and really, I think TradingView is like one of the best things you could possibly do. So that's one of the best things. You could go out here and honestly, I think TradingView is probably the best place that you can go. It's free. You can just type in things and you could just, honestly find anything that you want, and it will tell you everything you need to know. So I know. I just sometimes you just gotta say you gotta call a duck a duck, dude. And if he wants to come in here and whatever, dude, I'll give him the attention that he needs. Is Pepe ever gonna go back up? Oh yeah, it probably should, dude. Hey Austin, where do you buy your crypto from? I do it on Coinbase. Yeah, a lot of it where is that? I know David's all yeah, exactly. He it's okay. I won't get he got my attention one time and it's done now. Hey guys. Yeah, I think I mean, I definitely think the stock's gonna do well. F the pronunciation police. NVIDIA. 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 I like to say it how I say it. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with how I say it. Ignore the bell. What's up, 18? What's going on, Anthony? I still missed what you said, Tim. You were saying who's what project were you talking about? Are we putting money in a project we shouldn't be putting money in? Mm. What happens when you're out of cash but don't need to keep buying the dips? I see. That's a good question. That's a good question. I think yeah, that's tough. I don't know. Try to have some cash on the side, I guess. That's probably the best thing. But yeah, I get what you're saying. Hey, Austin, just hopped in the stream. Can you please go over how you think XRP is going to go in this dip? I think that we're going to continue right here with when it comes to XRP, like we could try to find a nice little zone in here. You can see that we have last time it hit this 382 level right here. It's hung around this area and bounced back up. Now we passed it, and then we might create a nice little area of support right here at the 382. It seems like we've already created a little bit here. So we could create some more support right here. And we could be playing, like I said, we could be playing anywhere between the 0.5 and the 382 for some swings. I mean, we could come back down here at the 6.9 and buy back up again. And that could be, this could be our next, we could be trading like this for the next couple days, if not the next couple weeks. I mean, our projection right now, if we go off of last, I think it's actually, again, let's do the measurement here. Cause I think it was before we actually went up on the dip, we hit a high right here. And then it was about right here. So I probably got to move this over just a little bit here. So about right there, which again, this top started on the 3rd of December, and then we hit the bottom on the 30th of December. So we're talking roughly 27 days for this to calm down. I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen here, but if we take the same exact time frame, and again, if you wanted to, it's not going to be the exact same time frame usually. But I mean, this is already the 16th. So we're on the 27th. That means that basically here in February, like February 13th, we should start to see an uptrend back with it again. So we could build sideways here and then, again, make a nice little platform right here and then take the next level. That's kind of what you're wanting anyways, is to come down here, create another level like we did here. You create another level, and then we were able to kick back up again. So you want to do the same thing. I'm not saying it's going to be February 13th. I'm just saying that this is just again, if you take the look on this, it's very close. So we could be anywhere from, February 5th or 6th or who knows what. I mean, it could be any day. But I'm just saying that's kind of where, if you want to take the similar, right, when we're taking the same numbers here, that's kind of what we're looking at. So again, to each our own on that. John, he probably did. NVIDIA. I'm just going to call it Vidia now just to piss everyone off now. It's pronounced NVIDIA, which is the Spanish word for envy. Dip had me stressing this morning. Yeah, don't stress about it, dude. The aggravation people get off smallest things. Yeah. I love it, dude. I love it, dude. The chat is awesome, dude. Oh, you're good. You're good, Tim. It's all good, bro. It's all good. There's no negativity, man. It is, everyone has their own opinions on it. Again, it's all good. It's all good. Let's see here. We're just joking about how to say NVIDIA. Hi, Austin. I'm watching from Oman. Buy XRP. Heck yeah, dude. You think the U.S. Wants foreign nations to become rich? Probably not. Probably not as rich as the United States. Crypto King. You're funny, dude. Always a March pump every time, then a 20th. Yeah, then you'll see a downturn, right, James? Yeah, you'll see the downturn. When in doubt, zoom out. Yeah, when in doubt, zoom out, right, guys? I would agree with that. I mean, but overall, these are some really good levels right here. AVAX, right? Good level here. Oops, we were drawing the lines here. This obviously came down into a nice buying zone here. We looked at a lot of these yesterday. I can't remember what the ones. I think Algorand. I think I pulled one on. Yeah, look at Algorand. I pulled one on yesterday. That was the one. I couldn't remember which one I pulled on, but I think I pulled Algorand, and I said 3503, 3501 would be the buying opportunity for Algorand. And so I guess if you did do that, I mean, you got right above where this actually bounced back. So that was a really, really good buy. If anyone bought that, that's about almost a 6% return right there. So yeah, kudos to anyone who got that. You know, Jupiter's still looking really damn good right here. Buying at this 81. Now we're back up to roughly 103. So this actually killed it right there too. XDC was another one. You can see right here in a buying opportunity. This is still coming out of the right in the golden pocket right there, coming back out. So yeah, these are some good areas of retracements for sure. Sammy, thanks so much for the donation. It's a special day on Tuesday, 28th January for XRP, right? Well, today's kind of feels like I mean, yeah, I will see what the day brings. I don't know if it's actually like a special day, but it's definitely nice. Thanks so much for the donation. Kevin, yeah, I paid for my version. Yeah, it's like, I think it's the premium version of it. Hey, Austin, do you think we're going to start our next sell-offs at the next candle? We'll see, dude. We'll see. You know, it's tough to say exactly. I mean, you can see right now everything's down. Even all the the RSIs, starting to work their way back up on the 4-hour. We can go back and like look at XRP here. You can see that like the 4 hours trying to work its way back up. 12 hours still sort of sitting at the bottom down here. I mean, it's definitely down at the bottom. We definitely hit some good old lows right there. That might be the lowest RSI we hit since roughly around December 30th, which is where we actually came out of the bottom. So we're kind of at the bottoms here on these dips. So I'm hoping that we have a nice little bounce back here, and or we just stay status quo. The day chart's coming down, which again, I told you guys, we want the day chart to come down and maybe rest here for a couple of days and then maybe start to build back up. So looking something like this would be okay, I guess. Which again was this kind of this area right here. That wouldn't be a bad idea. But definitely we are past this. We are definitely into a nice little retracement right here. I don't think we're going to go. I mean, I think it's going to be pretty solid. Austin says, whatever you like, brother. No. Hey, Austin, do you think we're going to start our next sell-offs? It's going to be tough. Let's see here. H-bar. Yeah, H-bar is looking pretty good right now. I definitely jumped in a lot on H-bar. Awesome. What's your thoughts on this new? I think it's going to be. Hey, man. Like obviously it's caused a lot of people to be up in arms over this. There's a thing right here talking about like why this thing where to go. Yeah, why this buzz? And it's because it's become the number one app on Apple and Google now, overtaking that of ChatGPT. People think it's actually a pretty good app. You have a bunch of people out here saying that that it's overtaken that of ChatGPT on the latest model. It says it's outperformed OpenAI's latest model in many third-party tests. And then on top of that, it's because NVIDIA they gave over 50,000 of their H100 chips, which is crazy. So, and the U.S. has banned the sale of advanced AI chips to China. So this was obviously before we banned the chip sales to China. So they obviously got their hands on them. So that's pretty wild. Next page. Thanks so much for the $5, dude. Wolf stock. TerraWolf is currently down 32% today. They own and operate fully automated by. I don't even know. I haven't heard of that, but I mean, damn, that's crazy. Yeah, you can see right here, even if you go back and you look at the stocks right now, you can see right now Mara's down 11%. I think Riot, where's my Riot? Riot's down almost 20%. Dang, Riot took a beating, big beating, down over 20% over the last 24 hours. That's a pretty big beating right there. But still, here we are. A lot of these stocks are down pretty hard. Yeah, this is definitely one of those where you monitor this and try to buy in on that. I mean, I think it's a big thing. So thanks so much for the $5 donation. Spot trading is stress free. Gonna keep it. Yeah, spot trading is easy, bro. Trying to tank markets today, absolutely, dude. Absolutely tank the markets today. These are all good levels if you're if you're starting to build bags, definitely, yeah. Senso, thanks so much for the $2. US crypto should skyrocket to get ahead of nationwide. I think so. I would agree with you on that. Thanks so much for the $2, man. And I would agree. We basically started over. Now it has to pump. Yeah, we're basically gonna start back over. Like you said, we're gonna probably start building another floor here. Um, hopefully around this zero point 0.5 level. And now we'll be able to build. You could, like I said, I'm building from here. I'm pretty sure that William Fractal probably started again. Yeah, there's another one right here. So you can move this up if you'd like. I'm probably gonna keep it the same because I like staring at the same one. You could, if you wanted to start a new fib, you could probably move it up to this dip right here, which would give you another way of looking at it. So if you could do something like that. And this gives you a little bit more play on it if you'd like. But again, I'm going to probably keep it where I had it and just continue to monitor it that way. So, and Vincenzo, thanks so much for the donation to the channel, dude. Most people seemed like they got it wrong as it was shooting up. Yeah, I think here on the channel, we were definitely, I think we played our risk really nicely. I'm going to be honest. I think the A team played their risk very nicely. I think patience overcame a lot of what the social media and a lot of people out there were saying. Everyone was talking about pumping the charts and it's going to go up and continue to build. And I think a lot of us were kind of base here and just realized that patience will pay off. And that's what happened yesterday. Patience, and with a lot of people here, paid off. So super happy for everyone to actually practice that patience and be able to buy these dips nicely. Boomer Sumer. Sorry for the spam. You're good, dude. Nutrition for Life. Thanks so much for the $2. When selling, is better to use USDC or USD? I mean, I'd rather move it into USD. If I'm on an exchange, I'll just move it to USD. This is not the 2025 we were promised. Oh, we just started, dude. Brandon, love your content. There's a lot of YouTuber streamers about this stuff, but you're a real one. I appreciate you, Brandon. Try to keep it real. It's hard to. I mean, some people get really upset. Like David. David gets really upset. What are you upset for, David? What are you upset for? Officially Baby Trump to official coin Solana. What are you saying? Official Baby Trump? Oh my gosh. Retirement looking good. Hell yeah, Boomer. That $3 first. I think that we're gonna probably bounce around. Again, you can see the 10-day moving average up here at the 304. We're down here at the 50-day moving average down here at the 252. So again, this will continue to, what happens is we do something like what we saw here. It will allow things to catch up. So again, this 10 day is probably going to move down. We're going to see it probably come down here like this, just like we saw right here. And we'll probably see the 10-day decrease in price roughly about 8%. So if we say 8% in price from where it's at right now, we'll see it probably settle down about 278 is where we'll probably see the 10, rough, give or take, right, about the 278. So we'll probably have this trend downward. This will probably come, this will start to move its way up. And that's where we'll kind of start to build here at about this 271 for the next, hopefully, or even maybe up here around the 280 marker, and see if we can start building out right here. And then, we'll probably have our downs and our ups and things like that, but just something to monitor. But yeah, that's what's nice. That's what you want for the next level. I mean, you guys saw right here, we created a nice little bull flag, made a nice little run. What we're going to try to do here, we have a nice little pull. Now we want to create a bull flag for the next run. So, I mean, that's kind of what we want. David, spot trading is buying, selling at market price. What's the point of spot trading when markets dump like this and wipe all the gains? Short-term, small 5x plays are better. I mean, they got liquidated, dude. Anyone that put leverage trading on at these prices got completely, utterly liquidated yesterday. We're talking $920 billion in liquidations yesterday. That's insane, dude. People lost a lot of money in the markets. But the people that were spot trading, we didn't lose. We just DCA'd in. If you bought the top, you DCA in into your position, and we didn't lose, dude. You only lose if you sell. And when you trade on margin and you get liquidated, they make you sell. Like you're gonna get your position liquidated. So you have no control over that. So again, it's a super risky position, but people do it, right? They want to put the $100 in and put 100x leverage on there, and try to get that money, and then they end up getting liquidated and are having to pay more. So yeah, it's just not my cup of tea for the markets, especially in a bull market when we are all positioning ourselves to win in a bull market. And if you have the money on the side to just spot trade and work your way out of positions, you're in such a better scenario. So I appreciate that, Francis. Thanks so much, dude. You think XRP will go down again? Will go down again? I think that I hope that we flirt around this area for a little bit. I hope we come back up. We come back up here into the 310, then we come back down here. Like I said, from a swing trading standpoint, that's kind of what you want for the next, here for like 10 to 13 days. If we actually hold this off for the next 10 to 13 days, and we do like what I thought we would do right here with this measurement, this timeline right here, I think that we could actually do some good, right? Build up, do something like we saw right here. That almost looks the same, dude. We're almost in the same boat. We're probably going to come down. It's probably going to settle around here. We're going to have some ups and downs right here. It's going to probably come down just a little bit more, get down to the 275-ish, somewhere in that ballpark, and then hopefully we bounce off of that. So that's kind of where we're at. Maybe down even here in the 270 range, maybe 270, like 275, like I said. Yeah, that would be ideal. Low channel and Coinbase Premium worth it. I think if you're planning on using a lot to buy and sell, Chelsea, I think it's Chelsea, but I think yeah, if you're just going to use it and maybe you buy or sell like once or twice, I would say no. I'd probably stick to the Coinbase one, just the $30 a month. But if you're in there every day buying and selling, and you're trading large amounts and things like that, then you get cheaper spot fees. So I'd say yes if you are trading a lot. If not, I'd say it's probably a waste of money. Austin, do you see Solana going lower? Solana's let's go take a look. I think that's where I marked. I think Solana, let's see, where's my Solana? Where's my Solana? There it is. Solana is in an interesting spot right here, but it's definitely been on a downtrend over the last couple of days. Ever since the whole Trump, this is like, inauguration, then it's come down. It's hit this nice fair value gap right here and bounced back. I think my buy level right here is actually at a 211. I think that's where I said it was going to go. It hasn't quite got there, but I think 211 is where I think I said I would probably buy. And I think that's where I put that marker right there. That would be a buy signal. I should probably make that green. My greens are usually my buys. So that's kind of where I would be, 211. Hey, but you should have made some profits off that. Hey, Kevin, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. Appreciate you a ton. Thank you so much. If Kevin gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Kevin and those 5 new members. Welcome to the A team. David, if you got one of those memberships, welcome. Stop getting liquidated 100%, dude. Dang, crypto is having the most toxic girl. It's like having the most toxic girlfriend. Why no stop loss? I mean, yeah, you should use a stop loss, right? People should have used it if they were in a swing trade. And people that are in, in their, again, some of these flash crashes happen because people don't have stop losses and they get liquidated. So yeah, some people are not on top of it. You know what I mean? Going to buy another membership now. I have to change my Google password. Oh, damn, AirSent. Crypto is the toxic girlfriend that gets drunk and hangs all over. You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny, dude. You lost your butt on futures. Yeah, you gotta be careful, man. You gotta be careful, William. That's funny, dude. Austin, can you give a price range for XRP after the bull run? Well, I said what the XRP for. I mean, I do think that XRP is going to definitely hit some levels that we're all excited for. Like I put $7 to $10 up here. It would be nice to be somewhere in this realm during the bull run. Would be really, really nice. And I think the math works out. We've done the math before on this, and the math does work out nicely. I think I actually did the math over here. The math works out nicely for us. So again, when you start to look at the math of things, again, this got cut off, so it's hard to say that. So if we went off this one, it could probably be $10. If we go off this one, it's probably $7. But somewhere in between here would be nice for XRP, which is anywhere from $7 to $10 range. Next page, dude. Thank you so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much. And anyone that actually is becoming a member of the channel, you can definitely go join that Discord as well. Just attach your YouTube to the Discord, and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So thank you so much, and welcome. I love it here. Me too. David and Austin gonna have a dance battle. That's a good site to play futures. I mean, you could do it on really any exchange has futures. DeepSeek is allowed on China's mainland with a hard line. That's pretty great. That's pretty funny. Anybody know a crypto game for kids to learn? Not that I know of. That's a good question. I don't think that there's any crypto games out there. Thanks, everyone. I think a monthly channel might be the best investment I've ever made. Oh, dude, I appreciate that a ton, man. I appreciate that a ton, and I'm happy, dude. A lot of people in the A team in the Discord this morning. It was nice waking up and seeing how many people actually, followed the plan, stuck to their plan. Listened to the indicators, followed the indicators, and actually it performed exactly how it should have. They didn't trade with emotion; they traded with the indicators. They traded with what the market was telling us, not what everyone else was telling us, but what the market was telling us. Like, that's when you're dialing it in. And I just appreciate everyone that was on Discord, helping each other and supporting each other through it. Because again, as everyone was saying, this was going to continue to pump. Everyone out there was saying that we're going to continue to go up. And again, we will over time. Like, don't get us wrong, we will over time, but there are going to be dips to be played in this market. And we timed that dip perfectly. We knew that dip was coming. We bought in on this dip, and now it's a perfect time to either swing trade out of your position, set your stop losses, take your profits off of this, or it's a perfect time to accumulate and hold it for the next run. So we know that February is a really, really good month for crypto going into March. And every year for the last 6 years, 7 years, it's been on a massive rally in the green every single February. So again, I will not be on the sidelines, and but it's up to you where you guys want to be. Austin on Ledger can trade XRP. I think so. I think you can on XRP Live. I'm happy on this dip. I made a 10x XRP. Yeah, that's good, dude. That's a good 10x XRP. You put 10K XRP in. Damn, bro, that's good. 589. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pass the hookah. Thanks so much for the $2 donation to the channel. Really appreciate that, my friend. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's good, man. What's up, Austin? How's everything looking today? I mean, we hit J-Dubs. We obviously hit some downturns, but I mean, so far I think everything's looking pretty decent. We're gonna have to monitor H bar sitting here at 29, right? So that's probably the one you're gonna have to monitor the most right here. For me, again, I put a pretty good bag in here at the 29.38, the 380 level, which is right here. So we'll see how this one works out. Same with XLM. I put a pretty good one here at 37.1. So you can see, or 37.2, sorry. I put a big one right here at 37.2. So we'll see how this manages out right here. So far, it's looking good. Can you talk about the lawsuit with XCN? Will that crash like XRP? I didn't even know there was a lawsuit with XCN, dude. That's kind of crazy. Roya, you could just click on the link up. I have a pinned link up there. It's a Discord link. You can click on that link. You gotta connect your YouTube to Discord. So go to Discord here, and then you're gonna go down here where it says server settings, and then you want to go where it says integrations. Hit integrations, and then you want to connect. It'll say connect. You know what I mean? And so you'll go down here and you'll connect your YouTube to Discord. And then once you do that, you go back here and you can go right up here where it says you'll get this little disclaimer, or sorry, you'll get this where is it at, rules section right here. You'll go down, you'll click the rules section, you'll hit the little check mark right there, and then you'll choose which rooms you want to go into. And once you guys do that, you're good to go. You're definitely good to go. So awesome, Austin. Equals my chart indicators. Can you show your fib settings? Yeah, dude. Yeah, here you go. You can take a screenshot of it right there. Also, I've been swing trading for 2 weeks and have done awesome. Is there another stock like Toshi or Swift that can volatile? There probably is. I think there was one I saw out there was called Shy. I saw that was a meme coin because you're talking about meme coins right now. I think Shy was the one that I saw all over my Twitter page today with a bunch of people. So SHY, it's under it's the creator of SHIB, I think, is the one that created it. So I think that's out there right now. If I could be mistaken though. I don't condone it. All right, Billion Right. Appreciate you, man. I crapped my pants this morning. Panic sold, unfortunately, and bought back at a higher price. Oh, level, man, dude. H bar is only quantum tokens. I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know. My stop loss, like I usually try to make. I mean, if I only have to make, if I make like 150 bucks in a day off of a trade, I'll take the 150 bucks on a trade. You know what I mean? I won't sweat it. But yeah, I usually do about a 1% on the stop loss. You stole and bought into ACH and Swift. Okay, ACH and Swift. Yeah, ACH. That's such an old school crypto, bro. Yeah, he called it correctly yesterday. I wonder how much money he put into it to make it go to make it. I wonder how much people. Again, that's a you can have some pretty good group of pumpers. You know what I mean? I agree, Queef. I have 2K to buy something. I have a decent amount of XRP. Nice. That's nice. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Oopsies. Let's see here. Oh man. Are you able to change your? Yeah, you could change that if you'd like. Yeah, you could change anytime you want. Matthew, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much. And yeah, definitely go join the Discord. Austin made a little swing trade on ACH, 420 bucks overnight. Hell yeah, Chris, dude. That's awesome to hear, man. Appreciate that. I hear Austin is bald. Very. Thoughts on getting a small leverage to grow the bag during the crazy time? Yeah, I mean, it's good to test it. Like I said, taking $100, putting 5x leverage in there. If you feel like gambling, you know what I mean. Definitely, it's up to you. Like I said, I don't like it. It stresses me out, especially when I can just take my spot trading and I know that I'm usually pretty good with it. So that's kind of where I'm at. Big up, bro. Love your content. Oh, I appreciate that, Matthew. Yeah, definitely go join that Discord, bro. It's been great. Honestly, the Discord has been it's been awesome over there. Super helpful people. Everyone's been totally engaged. And yeah, we're over there a lot. So yeah, thanks so much. And Joey, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, my friend. Thank you so much, man. Did hackers finally tire himself out? Did hacker finally? I don't know. Maybe, hopefully. I think I heard that. I think I heard from Twiz that they were able to combat it somehow. Maybe I was wrong, dude. So yeah, maybe I was wrong. Almost to 83K subscribers. Let's effing go. Are we really almost to 83K? Dang, guys. Thank you guys so much for almost 83,000. Yeah, we're at 82,945. Wow, dude. That is awesome, dude. Almost to 83,000. I just feel like we were talking about 80,000 just a couple of days ago. I appreciate everyone coming here, liking the stream, subscribing to the channel, and being a part of the A team is fantastic. Any X news, Austin? Well, I mean, just here with Ripple, obviously, this one was the big one that came through. Where is it at? Right here. I mean, this is the big one right here. This is going to be big for Ripple. This is going to be really big for XRP as well. So this is kind of what they've been trying to obtain for a long time. So yeah, super exciting. That's probably the biggest news. Got any news on Pepe? I don't. Gilbert, dude, thank you so much for becoming a member of the A team, man. Appreciate that a ton. Welcome to the channel, my friend. And yeah, thank you guys so much, man. Ciro Rosales, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Is there a target number XRP that you would like to obtain? There's a target amount that you would recommend. I think there was an article that came out, if I remember, maybe a month ago, that said like 2,000 XRP is like the ideal number of XRP to hold, because that puts you in the top 10% of XRP holders. So I mean, you're talking like what, $4,000 roughly, give or take, right? Maybe a little more than that, 5,000 now. And I think that was like the number that they put out there, but I could be wrong. That was like a month ago, but someone put out that like if you want to be in the top 10% of holders for XRP, you would want to hold about 2,000 XRP. Someone in the chat might correct me if I'm wrong, but I think there was an article that we talked about. I think that's what it was. So to answer your question, that's what the analysts are saying out there. If you want to be in top 10, but I think for me personally, just hold something. You know what I mean? Whatever you can afford or you're willing to lose, basically, in this space, I think it's super important. And just getting your feet wet, holding something. Don't be on the sidelines. That's all I gotta say. Just don't be on the sidelines. So yeah, thanks so much for the $5 donation, dude. You're my favorite streamer. I learned so much from you. Oh, Larry, dude, I appreciate that, man. Austin, do you have any other plans in the future for a podcast? I don't, man. I don't at this point. I'm just chilling. I have no, yeah. I mean, a podcast. I don't know. Like you're saying, like a podcast, like just talking about like anything and everything. Type of podcast, or yeah, I haven't really thought about it, bro. Good morning, Graham. What's going on, man? And nobody needs nothing. Thanks so much, man. I appreciate your help and knowledge. Yeah, I appreciate you being here, dude. Seiko, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Seiko gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Seiko and those 5 new members. Welcome to the A team. Dave, if that's you, welcome, Dave. I'm just gonna say that every time until the stream's over. How long? How long do you think it'll take for XRP to get fully regulated? Sorry, dude. I kind of cracked myself up there. My bad. I don't know how long it's going to take, Rito. I mean, they're already working on it. They've taken some big giant steps. So I think that we're talking maybe April 7th. April 7th is kind of the deadline for me in my head. So April 7th, I'm sticking to April 7th, Rito. Down south, dude. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. Officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate you, buddy. And welcome, my friend, to the A team. Looks like I have to get a membership to Discord. Yeah, you gotta. I did create a paywall in there just to keep out scammers, and it's worked out well. I'll tell you that because there's been some crazy scammers. Do you trust X posts? I think that there are much hearsay. Yeah, they can be, right? I mean, a lot of these people are independent journalists that are getting their information from other people that have information in the space. So sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. But the cool part is that this isn't the only thing out here. You can see that they actually do have licensing across the board here with a lot of other places. So it's not just crypto briefing saying this. You have other people out here that are backing it up as well. Got it. Thanks. Head of yeah, dude, that's awesome, Suro. Probably gonna take a long ass to become a millionaire with 4,000 XRP. Yeah, we'll see. You know what I mean? Dip won't last long, man. A couple of months, maybe. I think we're, come February, we're gonna be sitting pretty. New to the crypto space, what would you rank the top 6, 7 tokens and coins? To just the top 10 cryptos, man. I think you should stick to the top 10. Probably top 20. I mean, you could probably get in the top 20 there. I mean, because we got HBAR, XLM, Link. I mean, you go down the list of those, XRP. I think a lot of those are great. I mean, Sui's good. I mean, a lot of these, and they're like really on a downturn right now. So I mean, good chances to buy up. I put a 70K on a short. Damn, Josh, are you? So you absolutely killed it then. Damn, Josh. Yeah, I have to have fun with it, right? 808 memes. I have to have some fun. My YouTube doesn't connect to Discord. Yeah, you gotta go into the integration of it. Go to the integration section of it. Go up to settings, right? Server settings. Go up here, and you're gonna go to integrations. If you want to do it from like your own personal one, you can go over here, and you can then go and connect it. Well, I guess you'd have to. Go here, you go to server settings, and then you're going to go down to integrations. And again, you're going to connect your YouTube. So that's how you do it, dude. Colton, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Just bought 3,600 worth of HBAR bull run prediction. Why? I'm hoping over $2, Colton. That's kind of where I've been. $2 is my marker. Yeah, you're definitely going to connect first. Imagine you put something on display unless you knew it was a trustworthy source. We're talking about. I mean, these things are out there. This isn't the only people that are talking about this. I mean, this is everyone out there's talking about this money transmitter. I mean, you're talking about Watcher Guru. You're talking about Crypto Briefing, Cointelegraph. So a lot of people are actually putting that out there. But there's things that get put up here that you maybe not are 100% vetted for sure. Bob Fox, dude, thanks so much for gifting 10 memberships to the 18. Gosh dang. 10 memberships gifted to the A team. You and Seiko are killing it with the gifts, and I appreciate that a ton. If Bob gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Bob and those 10 new members. Welcome. Dave, if that's you, welcome to the A team, buddy. This is going to be good. How do we get gifted a membership? It's pure luck, dude. And I hope Dave got one. Austin, did you hear anything about the no tax on U.S. cryptos? We did hear about that. I don't know if it's 100% true. Sammy, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. Appreciate that a ton. Welcome, my friend. And yeah, thank you so much and welcome. Let's see here. Let's see. Hey, Austin, I'm here every day. I just can't comment like I would like to. A 9-to-5 job, hard to always get in chat, but thanks for everything. Oh, dude, Ali, appreciate you being here. Appreciate the nice comment, dude. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Shogun, thanks, man. Appreciate that. The most authentic crypto bro. Crypto is for investing, y'all. Not nothing that's gone. Yeah, it's not going to come overnight. I would agree, Jeremy. Crypto doesn't just come overnight for sure. If no taxes on crypto was signed Wednesday, be moon. Oh, dude, yeah. If no tax on crypto for U.S. companies can't do it, would be lights out, bro. We would have just bought the greatest dip in the history of all dips. That's how I look at it. Cool Cat, you were not moving to China, bro. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Cash Bonds, welcome. Joey coming in hot, dude. Joey, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team, man. If Joey gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Joey. And again, knowing that you are now a new member and gifting members, I appreciate the hell out of that, dude. And if Joey gifted you, please say thank you. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. Dave, if that's one of you, welcome, my friend. Get into the Discord, learn. Is that the best? Yes, definitely. Start on it. Dude. Dave's kind of been like that's kind of been a trend in the Discord, right, Dave? the Dave name trend is like really that's kind of where it's been. It's kind of lingering around the A team, from being a catfish Dave to Karen Dave to just Dave in general. Like, God, I feel bad. This channel is definitely robust. Robust. I love it, dude. So funny. I appreciate you, Stig. Thanks so much. Yeah, you guys are all great, man. Just found you today, luckily. Oh, I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm glad you're here, Joey, man. It's fun. We have a good time on the channel. I come on here every day, Monday through Friday. There'll be some days, like this Wednesday, I'm not going to be on stream this Wednesday. I got something I got to get done. So unfortunately, I won't be here on 10 a.m., but I'll try to stream in the morning. But I do try to get here every day at 10 a.m., Monday through Friday, and Pacific Standard Time. And then I usually try to stream at nighttime, depending on the day. So like tonight, I got volleyball tonight with my son, but after him, I'll probably come on up for a late night stream tonight, seeing how wherever the charts are. So we'll see how that works out. And then a lot of people here in the A team want me to go to soccer practice, because every time I go to soccer practice, XRP seems to rally. So that's kind of where it's at. This is the cream day. Ricardo. I love it, dude. I love it. Thank you so much, man. The cream de la cream of the crypto YouTube channels. Appreciate you, man. Wow, I was gifted a membership. Thanks so much. Oh yeah, living your best life. Welcome. Yeah, and anyone that got gifted membership, you can definitely now connect your YouTube to Discord and join the Discord. And I hope you guys do. Yeah. And even I hope Dave does. If David got gifted one, I hope he does too. Nice, every day. Yeah, I try to. Like I said, some days I'll post it out there. I'll put them in Telegram. That some days, like this Wednesday, I will not be able to. I'll probably do like a late night stream. I'll tell you, I won't even be able to do a late night stream. So I'll be, my Wednesdays are a little bit rough. We got things we got to get done. So, but other than that, yeah, pretty much nonstop. Thank you for your great content. I have been watching you for a while. Just created a YouTube account to subscribe to your channel. Oh, Austin, dude, I appreciate that, man. And yeah, Austin, gotta love the name, man. Gotta love the name. So yeah, appreciate that a ton. And yeah, glad it's all coming together. I'm changing my name to Dave. Moist Mike, dude, welcome to the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate that a ton, man. And thank you so much for becoming a member, and welcome, my friend. Dude, that's awesome. You guys are awesome. Hang around long enough and you all get one. Yeah, pretty much, right, Bob? That's kind of how it seems on their app. Sometimes you got to do it on your computer, dude. Sometimes like I realized that the phone doesn't work. Sometimes you got to go do it on the computer, and that kind of sucks, but I will definitely do that. Still kind of learning Discord. Yeah, it takes a long time. Sometimes it's hard. Discord's hard, but Again, do it on a computer. It's the easiest. You just do it on a computer. You go over here, you go down to integrations, connect your YouTube, and then you'll go into the Discord here. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to go down to the rules section. You go into the rules. You got to make sure you read the rule. You don't have to read. I mean, read them, please. And then go down here and click the checkbox. And then you can actually get into your the levels that you want to get into or the rooms you want to get into. And then once you do that, you're ready to rock and roll, dude. It's that easy. I've been following you for a while. I appreciate you for real. Everything's good, bad. Oh, Iowa Trapper. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, definitely do it on a computer. You'll see it'll be a lot easier. Elite, you'll have to become a member of the A team. It's $1.99, but you have to become a member or get gifted a membership, and you can then join. And everyone's in there. They're pretty good. Wednesday soccer day, yeah. Wednesday soccer day. When we have busy days on Wednesdays, it's really tough to do a lot of stuff. There's something mentioned in the Discord that you said you would talk about if someone reminded you. I just remembered what it was. I just can't. Oh yeah, someone did. What was it? They wanted me. I covered it. They wanted me to know. They wanted to know. I think they wanted me to cover. Was it about the like where do we know where the top's going to be in this market? Wasn't that what it was, Billion? Right? I think they asked me. How do I determine what the top's going to be in this market for like XRP? And I think I went over that. That was where we do the math here. So again, if you go back and you look at the math of this, I think it was here, or maybe it was here. You can see we did the math on them. I could be wrong, dude, but I thought that's what it was. Yeah, okay. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, dude. But you're right. Someone did say something. But I thought that's what it was because I remember thinking, damn, you guys are coming in hot with these donations. Damn. We got Bob Fox coming in hot with 10 gifted memberships. Wow. If Bob gifted you a membership out of those 10, please say thank you to Bob. And yeah, welcome to the A team. Dave, if that's you, welcome to the A team, my friend. We got Ricardo coming in hot, gifting 20 memberships to the A team. Gosh, you guys are coming in crazy right now. Damn, dude. Growing up this Discord. So again, Ricardo, thank you so much for gifting 20 memberships to the A team. If Ricardo gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Ricardo and welcome to the A team. And Dave, if that's you, again, welcome to the A team, my friend. I hope I'm not one of those Daves. Oh, dude, don't think that NVIDIA is chasing my money that halted the growth. Yeah, dude. And again, thank you guys so much, man. You got the A team's the best team. I'm honest. I'm going to say I'm not just saying that because it's my channel and everything. I just honestly think the people that have been here and has been a part of this channel and are in Discord are just super chill, super nice individuals, and it's been great. Honestly, we surrounded ourselves with some really, really good people coming into this community, and I couldn't be more appreciative of it. And Joey coming in hot again with 10 gifted memberships. Joey, damn, bro. Thank you so much for your 10 gifted memberships. And if Joey gifted you membership, please say thank you to Joey. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. And Dave, if that's you, again, welcome to the A team, my friend. I really hope Dave's still here. Just subscribed. I've been watching you a couple weeks. You always have great streams, man. I appreciate that, Spidey, dude. And I appreciate everyone being here, honestly. You guys are crazy, dude. Holy crap. Whoever gifted me a membership, thanks. See, yeah, and all these memberships, if you got gifted a membership, man, you guys can definitely jump in. It's randomized picking for the thing. That's one thing I realized. It's randomized picking. It just picks whoever. So whoever's I guess subscribed. I don't know how it works actually. Does it make sense to pump out only one coin? Yeah, it could. It could. Yeah. Wow, incredible group. It really is. It's a really good group of people. Stop sign. What's up, buddy? Thank you for the gifted. Oh, Aqua Relief. Yeah, welcome. Welcome to the A team. See y'all on Discord. Yeah, Queefs holds it down on Discord for me. What's up, Shaka? We got Shaka in the house here. What's up, buddy? Love Shaka, man. If you guys don't know, Shaka is a content creator in this space. He makes he's a really, really good person. I met him in real life at a crypto event that we had, and really down to earth guy. So appreciate you being here, Shaka. Selmo Fudd coming in, gifting 10 memberships to the A team. You guys are wild, dude. Damn. Selmo, thank you so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team. Selmo always holding it down for me, dude. Longtime A teamer. Appreciate you a ton, my bro. And if Selmo gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him. And Dave, if that's you, welcome to the A team, my friend. Damn, Joey coming in. Damn, you guys are What is going on here, dude? We got some crazy gifted memberships right now. You guys are going insane. This is crazy. And Joey, thank you so much for gifting 10 more members. You've gifted like, I don't know what, 25 memberships since you came on board. Damn, bro. Thank you so much for 10 more gifted memberships. If Joey gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Joey again. Welcome to the A team. And Dave, if that's you, welcome, 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 my friend. You guys are awesome, dude. Dave has a whole year's worth of gifted memberships. Oh, dude, that's so funny, man. Holy crap. This stream has become a freaking gift frenzy here, man. Ricardo, dude, thank you so much for gifting a membership to the A team. If Ricardo gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Ricardo. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. And Dave, if that's you, welcome, my friend. And you guys are awesome, honestly, dude. These gifted memberships are fantastic. It helps build up the Discord. It helps build up the morale and the community. And I couldn't be more thankful for it. And I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you guys for all the support for it. It really, really is cool. So how am I the only person who can identify? I don't know. Hey, Mel B, thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team. Appreciate that a ton, and welcome, my friend. Excited to have you guys here. You guys are incredible. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, definitely. If you got gifted membership, please go join the Discord, man. I honestly believe it's a really good space. It really, really is. So, don't be hesitant. Don't be shy. Definitely get in there, and it's a really, really cool thing. Austin, I'm new here, but part of my XRP but part of the XRP army. How are we feeling with the current price? I mean, I think that we've projected this to happen, dude. We've been talking about this for like 2 weeks. I even had some people that were upset at me for talking about planning for this dip. Like, I think I had some people come on the channel like disappointed and mad at me. But it was like, we're looking at indicators and looking at everything. And so I think this is actually healthy for XRP. I mean, anytime we have something like this, it's healthy for XRP. So yeah, this is good. And I think that we'll probably settle down somewhere in here, hopefully, to do something like we saw right here to allow us to create another nice little rally. Maybe create another little bull flag off of this right here, which is what I kind of want. So, oh, Billion Right, dude. Thanks so much for the $5, man. Make sure you turn on the ability to get gifts in your settings. Oh yeah, make sure that is true, dude. If you do not have the ability to get gifts, then you won't be able to get a gifted membership. So that is true. Thank you so much for the gifted donation there, bud, and reminding everyone that if they want to do that, that's a big thing here. So, I don't get the Dave joke. We had a guy named Dave come in here and he was just angry this morning, like super angry and mad. I don't even know what it was about. It was just like he was just mad. And so now, that's the Dave joke, dude. That's the Dave joke. You have to go back in the beginning of the stream and watch it. So yeah. Seiko, what's up, my brother? Thank you so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. You guys are crazy, man. I love it a ton. And Seiko, thank you so much for the $5 donate or the 5 gifted memberships. If Seiko gives you a membership, please say thank you. And those 5 new members, welcome. Dave, welcome, my friend, if that's one of you. He probably didn't put his gifts on. He probably didn't put his gifts on. Oh, dude, Carrie Ann, dude, thank you so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. You guys are on a crazy gifting spree for this. And if Carrie gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And welcome to the A team, those 5 new members. Dave, if that's you, welcome, my friend. Damn, you guys are crazy as hell, dude. Butterfly, dude, thank you so much, Butterfly, for gifting 10 memberships to the A team. Appreciate you a ton, man. You definitely are one of the ones that hold it down in Discord too. Appreciate that a ton. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. If Butterfly gifted you it, please say thank you. And again, Dave, if that's you, welcome to the A team. Make sure you go join that Discord, buddy. Sorry, I have to have some fun with it. I got to have some fun with it, right? Oh my God, wasn't gifted a membership. Yeah, thank you so much, dude. Amy, wow. Amy gifted 5 memberships to the A team. Dude, we're stacking up memberships today. This is a membership stream right now. You have the chance of an opportunity to get a membership to the Discord. Amy, thank you so much for the 5 memberships to the A team. If Amy gifted it to you, please say thank you. And Dave, if that was one of you, and I'm glad that you're part of the A team now, man. Oh my gosh, Joey, bro, 50. Holy crap, dude. That is like that. Oh my gosh, dude. Thank you so much, man. 50 memberships. Damn, bro. Wow. Joey, thank you so much for the 50 gifted memberships to the A team. Holy crap, dude. I think you've gifted like what, almost like 75 memberships to the A team today. For anyone that's out there that hasn't been a member, dude, that's amazing, dude. I appreciate you a ton for that. And yeah, creating a lot of opportunities for a lot of people. So thank you so much, Joey. And if Joey gifted you, if you were part of this 50 gifted memberships from Joey, please say thank you to him. And all 50 of you that just got this, welcome to the A team. Dave, if that's you, welcome, my friend. Dude, you guys are awesome. Seriously, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless right now. Hey, Shaka got a membership. Shaka got a membership. I expect Shaka over in the Discord. Shaka, you better be in Discord by tonight. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you guys all getting a membership, dude. That is awesome. And Joey and all you guys, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that a ton. Austin blocked me from getting a free membership. Dude, you just got hey, Caesar, you are a member now, man. You got a nice little you got a nice little Dogecoin next to your name. You were right there to crypto. You are now a member of the A team, dude. A lot of you guys got memberships now, dude. Everyone here is getting membership. You get a membership, you get a membership, you all get memberships. You guys are awesome. Damn, dude. A team's the best team. I'm humbled, and I don't even know what to say when you guys do stuff like that. That's crazy, man. It's humbling for sure, and I appreciate it a ton. Words can't express like how awesome that is that you guys do that for each other. Billion Right, thanks so much for the $2, dude. All the new members like these lives right now. Hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. You guys are fantastic. Seriously. Gotta love it, man. And just to throw it out there, we did reach over 83,000 subscribers as of right now. 83,001 subscribers. Appreciate you guys so much for all that you guys do to keep me coming here every day to talk about crypto, to talk about XRP, HBAR, everything. We've done really well, and yeah, we have a lot more of this to go. So 83,000 18 members. Thank you guys so much. You guys are all fantastic. Tony, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Welcome, Dave. Oh, dude, that's gonna be great, dude. I'm gonna have to make a Dave emoji now. Damn, I'm gonna have to make a Dave emoji for the A team. I'll have to work on that today. I don't know. I'll have to instead of a Karen emoji, we'll do a Dave emoji. I'm feeling all the love. Yeah, I definitely am feeling the love. You guys are awesome, dude. Let's go. Thanks for this. Yeah, no, I appreciate you guys, dude. You guys are fantastic. Damn. Yeah, it's the Oprah show. Yeah, that's kind of what that's the one I was talking about. This is the coolest group, dude. Yeah, Sean, welcome. Welcome anyone that's new to here, dude. This is you got to have some fun, man. You got to have some fun. Austin, do you think there's going to be dips like that in February? Usually February is pretty good, man. History has shown that February is actually a really good month. The dip will probably come in March. We seem to have towards the end of March, which is the FOMC meeting. We tend to have a little bit of a sell-off right here. And as we're talking, going through this right now, XRP is trying to make a little bit of a rally upward. Here now we're settling down around this 90 marker, sitting around 91 at the time of this right now. So let's go back. I want to go back to my regular candles here. So there you go, right there. You can see right here that we are making a little bit of a run back up here, which is nice, back to 91. So yeah, left open a fair value gap right here. So this could dip back down here into the 84 to fill up this little gap that it left right here. So we're gonna have to monitor this area, but it would be nice if we traded in this area anywhere from roughly 90, $2.96, maybe even $3, maybe a $3 range down to roughly, we're talking about 271, somewhere in this ballpark would be nice. So that's kind of where we're at with it for sure. Love this group. Yeah, well, you're awesome. I appreciate that. Honestly, live your best life. I appreciate all you guys. Seriously, words really can't. I can't really say the words. All I can say is just thank you. Like, I mean, I don't know what else to say. It's just like I said, it is humbling when you have a lot of people who support and support the content and appreciate the Discord and all work together to try to win and try to that's really what it comes down to for me, and that's all I care about at the end of the day. I just want everyone to win, and that's what it should be about in this space. How do you think the FOMC meeting will go Wednesday? I think we're baking it in right now. I hope we're baking it in. I hope it's actually positive. I hope it's positive. I think I hope that they're going to come out and announce more rate cuts. I think that'll be super important. Start a new website called Only Dave. Dave. I'll have to create something. Dave's not here, man. I know. It's an ongoing joke now. It's an ongoing joke that David's no longer here. Abel, wow, 1 month as a member, dude. Excited to be here. 1 month as a member. I'm excited you're here too, dude. I'm excited you're here too. Stone Cold Steve Austin Flossin. I love Steve. I love Stone Cold, dude. Hey, Big Soda, dude. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. And yeah, anyone, again, I just want to reiterate here before I jump off, because I will be jumping off here in about 5 minutes. I do have to go out to the soccer field that we were at last night because my daughter lost one of her tournament pins. So I got to go like pull out the metal detector and try to find this pin for her. You know how that is when someone loses something. So being a good dad that I am, I'm going to go out and spend my time trying to find this little tiny soccer pin that was on her backpack. So that's going to be fun. I'll let you guys know how that goes. But that's kind of where I'm going to go here in the next 5 minutes. So again, Big Soda, thanks so much for becoming a member. Do appreciate it. And all the new members, definitely go join that Discord. You have to connect your Discord to your YouTube, or the YouTube that you got gifted the membership has to be connected to you for you to get into the Discord. So hope you do that. Sid, dude, thank you so much for being Sid AutoClink. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, my friend. Thank you so much, dude. And again, thank you everyone here for, hey, D5, what's up, bud? Yeah, thank you guys all for being here. How do you become a member? You can either buy your membership or you know, go through this frenzy, but you got to make sure your gift's on. Billion Wright said it. You got to make sure your gifts are on. Do you know how good a place to find build exit strategies? We talk about it all the time on here. You know, it's up to you. I mean, yeah, we talk about it all the time on here. We talk about how to build and find exit strategies all the time on here. At least I think I do. Maybe I don't. Do you know anything about Spell Token? I do not. To become a pass the hookah, that's actually pretty funny. Texting code word Dave. If you want to become a member, you'll get a 50% discount if you type in code word Dave. Bring back the Dave show. Dave's not here. Oh, Dave's not here, man. Is an old Cheech. Oh, dude, I haven't seen that movie. I haven't seen that. I was a kid when I saw that. I haven't seen that in so long. The needle in the haystack. I know, dude. I know. I'm kind of like, oh gosh, here we go. You know what I mean? But I can at least say I tried, right? Someone, I can at least say, hey, you know what? I went out there and I tried to find it. So this it was out at a high school, and they're probably gonna be like, what are you doing out here, sir? I'm like, dude, I'm searching your grounds for a pin. Okay. Janice, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome. Appreciate you being here. And yeah, excited to have you on. Stay out on the soccer field as long as it takes for XRP to pump. Yeah, anytime on the soccer field, it seems to do that, right? We love you, Austin, for everything. No, you guys are great, dude, honestly. So I couldn't be more. Yeah, that 100K subscribers would be awesome. I mean, that'd be super cool. We'll see you all in Discord. Yeah, 100%. 100% see you guys all in Discord. But yeah, with all that, guys, like I said, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for being here today. Thank you guys all so much for the donations. Like, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, that is amazing. It just opens up the door for a lot of people here to get into a Discord and things like that, which again is really, really cool. And a lot of people that, you know, didn't know what a Discord was, they have grown to really like it. And I just, yeah, it's a great thing. So you gotta click on the rules, James. One last time before I hop off here. Just make sure after you connect it, you go where it says, it'll say be safe, rules, choose, levels explained. You click on the rules right here, and then you go down and click the little check mark saying that you agree to the rules. And then you go to where it says choose right here, and then you click on these emojis right here, and these emojis will open up the rooms for you, and you'll have all these rooms that you'll be able to enter into. So that's the big thing you got to do. So yeah, and Shaka, I expect you to be over there, bro. I expect you to be in there. I want to see your name. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, with all that, thank you guys so much for being here today. Appreciate all the love, all the support. Make sure you guys throw those dudes up in the chat today on our way out of here. And appreciate all the subscribers as well. And we'll be back here. I'm going to try to come on here tonight. It'll probably be later tonight. My son has a volleyball tournament or a volleyball game. So I'll be on here tonight, though, probably around like 7 o'clock-ish if I had to project. So, or yeah, something like that. So with all that, love you guys a ton. We're out of here. Peace out, everyone.